Okay, good morning. Today's topic is select tags in Visual Force. You have a different tags in Visual Force pages. Here, already previously discussed about the page tags, input tags, output tags, and then form tags. Here, now you are going to know about the selection tags. You have a different tags available in a select Visual Force. What are those? Apex tag. One is Apex other one that means on the apex programming the selection list is one tag, and then radio button is another tag, and then check boxes are the another tag, and then options, and then option and options both you are having here. These are different tags available in our list. Here the first one here is a select tag. Here what is a select tag? Here displays the list of options. That means just like I will say pick list. Just like a pick list, you are selecting a some set of options. Here display the list of options that allows user to select one or more. Here one or the more at a time. That means you will select the one at a time. Here, that means you will discuss about that one. Here comes to the syntax. Here select list id, and then column list. Here you are using the some option. Here select option. This is a something about the selected. That means you will discuss by taking example, then you will understand this information. Okay, let us take a simple example for the select list. Here I'm going to take the simple example. Let us take a simple program. Go to home. Yeah, how do the environment appears like this. This is a login.salesforce.com. In this login.salesforce.com, I'm going to creating a new page. How can you create the page? Apex slash the page name. Here I'm going to give a page name selection list 1. I'm taking the new page selection list 1. Yeah, creating a new page. In the selection list 1, the list tag. Here the first important tag in this case here is a the selection list tag. Select list tag. Here here this displays the some important things like mm, displaying some list of information. Here for this purpose I'm taking a select list. For doing this one, I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to display in the select list. For example, the select list here is a red, green, yellow. Here I'm going to creating that list apex colon select list. Here the select list. This particular select list consists of select options. Here the it's having a different fields. For example, you may take the values. uh, for example, dr, these are all different attributes label. For example, I'm taking the id. For example, select list 1, let us assume select list 1 id, and then this select list consists of, for example, I want to execute this one select list. How can you execute this one? Yeah, the select list must occur between a form tag. That means before that you need to write the form tag. Here, how can you write the form tag? Apex colon form. Here I am taking the form. In between a form you will write the select list. Here this is a select list. I am going to writing this select list in between a form. Yeah, here the select list consists of, execute this one. Yeah, nothing. That means nothing. I did not write anything here. The selection. I'm going to writing some options. Here, the first thing here is I'm going to writing apex colon different options. select option. The select option indicates that means it takes some values. The attributes for the select list here is a item description, item label, item value. I am taking the item value. Let us take red is a one item value, and then the item label. For example, the item label for this one, let us assume label, that means that representation, let us assume that's a red. Here if you execute this one, yeah, it displays some information here, and then the same information I'm copying here and then paste it here. I'm copying here, paste it here. Red. Let us assume second one here is a green, and then this is also a label, also a green, and then this one yellow, and then this one also a yellow. For example, let us take another one, blue. Let us take blue is a another one. I'm writing the blue. That means if you execute this one, it displays the values like this. That means it is selecting the pick list value. The list, it is showing the list value. Here this is a list for the different options. Here you may take the options also. For this one, you will take the option or option list. In this way you will have the, for example, I'm going to selecting the more than one add value. Yeah, you may select this one. In this way you will execute the list value, select list. This is a some information about the select list. And then coming to the next important one, radio button. That means the radio button, the or select radio. The select radio button is a set of related radio buttons, input elements, and displayed in a table format. That means the set of related radio buttons here, for example, gender, male or female, any one of the, you will select the any one of the them. Unlike checkbox, only one radio button can ever be selected at a time. That means you will selecting the only one radio button, not a red, green, yellow, not like that. Gender, male or female, you may be male or may be female. Only you will selecting the checkbox, in the sense you will select the n number of items, n number of items from the checkbox. But here I am selecting the only one item. That is called here radio button. Here the syntax for the radio button here is a apex radio. That means you are having some attribute value. Here also the option also having the attribute value. This is a simple description about the radio button. Here you are going to creating the radio button here. That means okay, I'm going to creating here only, I'm going to creating, I'm not taking any new tab. For example I'm taking the one apex colon page block. Here I am taking the page block. Under the page block I can write the page block section apex colon page block section. Under this section I'm going to writing the radio button for representation. Apex colon select. That means you have 5 different options are there. Select tags. Here the select radio, I am taking the select radio. Here this particular select radio have the different attributes. Here these attributes may be, you may take the any attribute. For example, item value, you may take the item value not there. Here you may take the value, a simple value representation. Here the value here is a male. And then another important control here. Here you may take the another important value from here. For example, I may take the id, I may take the label also a one of the important in a label. Here is a, for example, I'm taking the male is a label. For example, if you execute this one, that means Apex radio select list at the formula expression is required. Yeah, I'm not writing here. That means you may take the value only. From value, I'm taking within an option. I may write some information. I think that means within particular value. That means you have a different attributes. You may consider any attribute value. Here, for example, I am taking the ID. I am taking the title. So many different information having. For example, I am going to take the this title. The title here is a radio or gender for this one. That means in between radio button I'm going to writing the some buttons. That means how can you write these buttons here? Apex. Here if you execute this one, what is the value? If you execute this one, yeah, it displays like this. Nothing was there for the radio. Here you may use different values for the radio button. Here the gender, title equal to gender. Here I'm writing the gender, and then the values I'm going to write here. Apex colon, here apex colon, what is the value? Select option. Here you have to take the selection option. The select option, here option consists of different attributes. Here item value, item label. Here first I am taking the item value. Item value here is a, for example, mail, and then item label. Here I'm going to taking the item label. Here item label is one of the field. For example, that one also I'm taking the mail. Here after executing this one, this appears like this: gender male. I need a male or female. Female, for the female I'm going to take the another button. For female also I'm going to another button. Here female. Here the value also, here I'm taking the female, let us assume. Here this is a radio button for the, not only for this one. For example, if you want to select the add or multiply or something, here for example this is a gender. For example, mathematical calculation. For doing mathematical calculation also you may use some radio buttons. For example, add, multiply, division. In particular cases also you need the radio button. You select the any one of here. Here list also, from the list you may select the more than one, yellow, green, like that. And then that is a radio button. The next important one, that means another important one here is a, from the select list, the next important one, select checkbox. Here what is the checkbox? Here checkbox, set of related checkbox input elements displayed in a table. Here it's selecting the set of input value, selected input values it is taking. Here for doing that one I'm going to creating one checkbox, select checkbox. Here how can you, that means for doing that one, that means I'm going to come out from the block. Okay, I'm going to come out from the page block. From the page block I'm going to creating the new page block. Here under this one, apex colon page block section. Here under this section I'm going to writing the boxes. Apex colon, the checkboxes. Here the select checkboxes, the select checkboxes, it's having different parameters for the select checkboxes. Here you may take any parameter. If you execute this one you have a different parameter disable, enable, ID, and then label. That means you will use any, that means for different cases you require different parameter. Sometimes you require object value. That means when you are executing, when you are working with the classes, when you are working with the custom object, standard object, there is a requirement of those parameters. Presently I don't need any parameter. I am not writing any parameter here. That means what? How can you work these checkboxes? Here, let us assume apex colon option. Apex colon select, here select option, apex colon select option. Here this particular option consists of what are the option values here, the checkbox. If you execute this one, what is the output? I want to see the output. Yeah, it's having the one checkboxes here. Here I'm going to writing some information for the checkboxes. How can I write the information? The options consist of, you have a different things are the same value, and then item value, item label. Here for the options, these are all input. Item value. What is the value I'm going to writing? For example, already red, green, okay. Checkbox, checking the boxes. I'm going to add, and then item label. Item label here also I'm taking the add button. Add. Here if we execute this one, the checkbox consists of label. It's having the label like this. Yeah, it's having the add. Click the add. If you require add, multiply, those options, that means I'm going to writing multiply option, and then subtraction option. For example, I'm for multiplications things. Subtract, 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 multiply. The second or third option here is a multiply, multiplication, multiply, and then division, or division. Yeah, it's having the division. That means it displays the checkboxes, related checkboxes. It's having a number of checkboxes. You may add more than one checkboxes at a time. You may select the more than one checkboxes at a time, and then display the result. When you are working with the classes, then how can you work these checkboxes? Here, coming to the another important option here is a the select option. The select option, how can you represent the select option? That means in all cases you wrote a selection option. The select option, item value, item label, and some other parameters are there. For the this particular checkbox, this particular select option component must be child of one of the previous three select option. That means in all cases I applied this select option. Here, if you comes to the here, for example, if you comes to the label here, in particular cases also, in the select list also, the select option, here you have a select option. It is a one of the child component. In here also one of the child component. Here the select option is a one of the child component in a radio button, and then the select option is a one of the child component in a checkboxes. Here that is a thing. That means in all cases you wrote the options. Here another important one, selection option is a this one. That means when you are writing the list of value, here you will use a select options, the collection of possible values for checkboxes, radio button, and then list component. That means the possible values for this. At a time you will select the more values. For selecting the list of values, you will take the this option. That means this particular option having the, that means this particular option when you are working with the custom objects or standard object, or when you are working with the classes controllers, then you will apply this option. That means if you want to see how can you execute that option, I can show you. Okay, here for executing these options you required, for example, I'm come out from the block. I'm going to writing some options. For doing that option you may take any one of the either select option or for example any one. You will take the any one value. Here for example I'm taking the check boxes. From the check boxes I'm going to representing the options. Here check boxes, for example here after block I'm going to writing this one check boxes. Here the check boxes are there, and then the options, not the options, I'm taking the only one option, apex colon select options. Here that means this option attribute takes a list of values. Here what's one is a value, the value always takes the attribute id. That means each and everything having the id. For example I am taking the option like this. Here the value in the sense it's not a binding value, it's not like a, for example I am taking the save for the checkboxes, it's not give any value, it gives an error. Here how can you rectify that error? Here that means it takes the binding value, the binding variable always appears like this in between these values. I'm taking the binding one, for example 2 plus 3, like that you have to take the binding values. Yeah, 2 plus 3, there is an error for this one. Yeah, that means the selection, the invalid selection option found, use selection option type in effects. Yeah, that means for doing that one you may take the standard attribute here. For example standard controller, the standard controller in this case, the standard controller you may take the for example I'm going to take a information from where I'm going to take the information. For example, I'm taking the information from this controller. The controller is a student. From the student, I'm going to get the student marks or student related information. For example, I'm going to get these marks. Here, how can you get these marks? Here, execute this one. Here, you have a option is there. The controller in this case here is a student underscore c. Let us take the controller value in this case student underscore c. That means I'm going to get the set of values for this one. Yeah, dot for example name, that means the student number I'm taking. It takes some time. Yeah, it displays something here, that means it's not visible anything. Here if you want to visible that information, that means the student related information, student name, I need a student name. For doing that one I should take the id here. Id, here how can you represent the id? Question mark id equal to, this also gives an error. Okay, leave it. In this way you will represent the this multiple selection option. That means whenever items, that means list of items, when you are taking the list of items, when you are working with classes or object, then only you will use a option object. Okay, thank you.